Hi, so in this video, I'm going to discuss today's LeetCode challenge, today's weekly contest. Second problem. What is the problem? Problem is the special array 2. So, what is the problem statement? Problem statement: the array is considered special if every pair of adjacent elements contain two different with different parity. Okay, so this is the definition is same as the previous problem, right? Special array 1. So here it is extra is that you are given an array of integer names and a 2D integer matrix queries. Okay, where queries I is equal to for from I to 2I. Your task is to check that subarray names from I to 2I is special or not. Okay, return an array of booleans answer such that answer I is true if names from I to 2I is special. Okay. So for this example, like 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, query is 0 to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have to check that 0 to 4, this array, subarray is special or not. So I have to check that all adjacent element are different or not, different parity or not. So all adjacent pairs are 3 and 4, then 4 and 1, then 1 and 2, then 2 and 6, right? So this is odd, this is even. So this is even, this is odd. This is odd, this is even. This is even, this is even. So one pair is not following this pair, 2 and 6. So I have to return as a false. Okay. So next example is that 4, 3, 1, 6. Right, queries is 0 to 2 and 1 is 2 to 3. So first check 0 to 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. So first subarray is 4, 3, 1. 0 to 2, 0 to 2 means these three element. Okay, so all adjacent pairs are 4, 3, then 3, 1. Right, so this is even, this is odd, this is odd, this is also odd. So this is not following, so I have to return, this will be false. Right, so for next query is 2 to 3. 2 to 3 means this 2. So this will be 1 and 6, this array, and pair also adjacent pairs also 1 and 6. So this is odd, this is even. So this is following the special array condition. So this will be true. Right, false and true. Got it? So one actually I can do this like any array is given like 0, 1, 2, 3, and query like from and 2 is given, right, for each query. So like for each query I will traverse the array like each query for each query I am traversing the array. So from each query I will get the starting index from I is equal to like from and I less than equal to 2, then I plus plus. I will check that this is actually again condition that different or not, like array I modulo of 2 equal to if both are same, then I have to return as a false. I plus 1 modulo of 2. Got it? Like two adjacent element. So for each query I am traversing the array again. So for each for query time, suppose q, number of q queries are present, and so from each query I have from and to. So I think traversing the array n times, like n elements are present. So time also will be q into n. So this will be almost n square or something, m square. Okay. So can I optimize this more? Because if our n is 10 to the power 5, so time velocity will be 10 to the power 10. So it's not possible, right? So can I optimize it more? Yeah. How? Like like we given an array, right? So I have to find that in the any range, is there any conflicting or not, on broken rule or not. So suppose I have a prefix sum, you know, right? Prefix sum. So from left to right, I actually previous already calculate the, like, from zero index, I will check that this is breaking or not, different parity or not. If it is parity is not following or both are same, then I will increase this. This is here actually one pair is not following. Okay, so like at the end I will also like from 0 to n I will found the total number of parity it's not following, okay, or broken. So suppose we will given a range like L and R. So if I found that from 0 to L, how many conflict or broken pairs there? Broken pairs they are there. Okay. And similarly, I will like here to I found that suppose L BL broken of left. Similarly, from 0 to L also I will found that how many broken are there, broken pair are there. Suppose BR I got. Okay, from 0 to R, and from 0 to L I got BL. Suppose if both BL is equal to BR, number of broken till left and number of broken pair till right R, if both are same, means here actually there is uh, no conflict or no broken pair actually present, because if any pair is not following the condition broken, that time this will be increased by +1, but it is not increasing. Here also it's x, here also it's I am getting x, so here actually it's uh, contributing 0, so there is no pair not present. So if it is 0 means BL is equal to BR, means this pair from L to R is a special array. There actually I have to return true. And suppose BL not equal to BR, then I have to return false. Why false? Because suppose here it is x and suppose here it is x plus 2. Suppose. So I can actually, it's guarantee that two pair are broken here in this range, because here it is x till this L point. Now I am in the R point I am getting x plus 2. So means that in this area actually I got two broken pair. Got it? So I actually will calculate the previously that how many broken are present from 0 to any 0 to I index. Okay. So I have taken a vector prefix sum. This is initially 0. Okay. Now I am traversing from I is equal to 1 to I less than n. Okay. So I is equal to 1, I less than n. Okay. So I will check that I and I minus I and I minus 1, this pair is like broken or not. If it is broken, then I will increment the value by 1, otherwise it will be 0, the previous one. So I am push back this value. What is the value I am pushing back? So initially it is 0. Okay. Now I am checking that I minus 1 and current I both parity are same or not. If both are same, like 0 0, then it's conflicting, or 1 1, it's also conflicting. So I will check the B both are same, then I will add +1, okay, to the previous sum. Previously it was 0. Currently, if it is conflicted, then the number conflict to index 1, it will be 1. Got it? Till the n number of elements, I will calculate this. Okay. Now I am taking a answer array, boolean type, because I have to return this. Now I am traversing the each query. Okay. So each query, what I will get? I will get the from on to, right. So from, I will check that from 0 to 4, right. So from 0 actually it was, what is storing 0, initially we were inserting 0 index 0, so for index I will found the actually answer. So I will check that this 0 and this answer array like 2, prefix of q0 means the from, and q1s mean the 2. If both the prefix of that particular index is both the same, like number of conflicting or broken pairs are same, this means this is actually a special array. So I will insert as a true. Otherwise, if not both are same, then I will as a false, and at the end I will return the answer. Got it, right? So what is the time concept of this? So for prefix sum calculator, I am traversing the array big of n times. Similarly for this also, I am traversing the query 1 time. So this will be big of q, and this is a constant time calculating. So this will be big of n plus q. Got it, right? And also got the logic, right? Thank you.